what's the difference between Google Search Console and GA4?
So Google Search Console is focusing more on search-related traffic. GA4 focuses on user behavior and engagement. For Google Search Console, you'll mainly use this for organic traffic. The performance dashboard in Google Search Console, that will only have organic traffic in it, so you won't be able to see any sort of traffic coming from paid ads. In GA4, that's where you'll want to look for paid ads data. So things like user sessions and conversions on those paid ads, you'll want to see in there. Google Search Console just basically shows you how Google sees your website. If you want to see how users across mediums are engaging with your website, that's when you would use GA4 instead.
Yep. Yeah, and really every business, every website should have both of them set up. GA4 is another great free platform. These are all free. You don't have to pay anything, no monthly subscriptions or anything like that. And yeah, and just think of it, Google Search Console, that is your reporting just for Google search and how you're ranking for certain keywords, as well as pages on your website. GA4, this should be like your main reporting analytics for your website. That's going to give data and insights across all your traffic. Where are they coming from? What are they doing on your website? And even just kind of a quick side note for anyone who needs help setting up Google Analytics 4, because it is a little bit more challenging than Google Search Console, feel free to check out our website and then contact us. Happy to advise on that. And our link is right below, just for this banner real quick, because it can take some time, especially when you want to set up different conversion events and some proper measurement there. But enough on Google Search Console. But yeah, this is super helpful on the key differences between the two. But the main takeaway, set it up and then you'll have the data. And what we usually like to do is set up tracking. The data is going to let you know what's working and what's not working.